What if I told you I hired someone last month who works 24/7, never takes a sick day, remembers everything I tell them, and costs me less than £100 a month? No, I haven't found some offshore sweatshop. I'm talking about AI, but not the way you're probably thinking. Most people use ChatGPT, Gemini, or their weapon of choice to write the odd email or ask it random questions. That's like buying a Ferrari and only using it to go to Tesco's. I'm going to show you how I turned AI into an actual employee in my business and how you could do the same. In this video, I'm going to explain what I did in my business, and then in follow-up videos, I'm going to walk you through setting up an AI agent in your own business. Let's go. So, quick bit of context. I run an IT support company, Aurora Tech Support, and we look after about 300 clients across Yorkshire and beyond. Like most small business owners, I wear 17 different hats: sales, marketing, support, admin, invoicing, you know how it is. I wanted to create a PA/technician/sales manager/office manager that would allow me to focus on strategy. Something that I don't get the time for at the moment, or even better, have a holiday where I don't have to have my phone and a laptop attached to each hand. So I built myself an AI agent. An actual digital employee that does real work in my business every single day and night. Over the coming months, we're going to show you right here on this channel how you can do the same for your business. Let me show you some of what my digital employee does for me each week. Number 1, morning briefs. Every weekday morning at 7 a.m, they send me a brief. What's in my calendar? What emails need action? What tasks I said I'd do? What the weather's like, because yes, that matters when you're visiting clients. But here's the clever bit. He doesn't just list things, he prioritizes. He knows which clients are more urgent. He knows if I've been chasing someone for a week with no reply. He remembers everything. You know, when you're on a call and the client mentions their kids starting uni or they're going on holiday next month, Steve, my AI colleague, remembers that. So next time I speak to them, I can ask how the move went. Research and prep. Got a meeting with a new prospect? Steve pulls everything up. The company info, recent news, LinkedIn profiles of who I'm meeting. I walk in prepared without spending an hour on Google. Email drafts. Client sends a time-sensitive, tricky email. Steve drafts a response. I tweak it, send it. What used to take me 20 minutes now takes 2. And the big one, follow-ups. Steve tracks every prospect, every quote, every conversation. If I said I'd chase someone on Thursday and it's now Friday, Steve's nudging me. Basically, imagine having a really organized PA who remembers everything you deem important, reminds you exactly when you need to say something and what you need to say, remembers every conversation and works while you sleep. Now, I'm not going to pretend that this is magic. Let me be honest with you. I have poured hours into training, just like you would with a real employee. And understanding code and what's going on under the bonnet helps massively. That's why over the coming months, I'm going to help you implement this in your business. Steve doesn't do everything perfectly. Sometimes he misunderstands context. Sometimes I have to correct him. And he's not replacing human relationships. I still pick up the phone. I still visit clients. I still have actual conversations. But Steve's by my side to help the whole way. And Steve frees me up to do the things that actually need a human, building relationships, solving complex problems, and being present with clients. The businesses that thrive in the next 10 years won't be the ones ignoring AI. They'll be the ones that figure out how to use it properly as a tool, not a replacement. So, how this might apply to you and your business and your team. An AI agent can help you out with things like what tasks are eating your time that don't need your brain, or what from your brain can you teach to an AI agent to share the responsibility. Things like scheduling, there are AI tools for that. Things like first pass email replies, AI can draft those. Researching suppliers or competitors, AI eats that for breakfast. Taking notes and action points, AI's got it sorted. Creating reports from data, easy. The question isn't whether AI can help your business. It's which bits of your day could you hand over to a very capable assistant who works for peanuts. So, some industry examples. If you're in healthcare, patient communications, appointment prep, policy summaries, obviously you have to make sure that it's compliant. If you're in professional services, client research, proposal drafts, follow-up tracking. If you're in trades, quote follow-ups, scheduling, supplier price checks. This isn't sci-fi, this is now. And the small businesses figuring this out are going to run rings around the ones who don't. This is exactly the kind of thing we help our clients figure out. How do you take these tools and actually make them work in your business, with your workflows, without it being a massive faff? If you're a business and you're thinking, I'd love to have a Steve, but I don't know where to start, drop me a message. We do free consultations, we do no pressure, we do no hard sell. It's just a conversation about what's possible. And if you found this useful, please subscribe. I'm going to be doing more of these, real stuff that actually helps small businesses, not just buzzwords and hype. I'm Darren, this is Aurora Tech Support, and I'll see you in the next video.